Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Did you know that perfectly cooked pasta starts with the water itself? You need a truly generous amount, like a gallon for every pound of pasta. This gives the pasta room to move and cook evenly. And don't forget the salt. It should taste like the ocean. This crucial step seasons the pasta from the inside out, making every bite delicious. It's the secret to avoiding bland pasta every single time. Choosing the right pasta shape for your sauce is a game changer for Italian cooking. Delicate, thin sauces, like a simple tomato passata or pesto, really shine with long, slender pasta shapes such as spaghetti or linguine. They coat each strand beautifully. On the other hand, chunky meat sauces or creamy carbonara find their perfect match with sturdy, tubular pasta like rigatoni or fusilli. These shapes capture and hold the rich flavors, ensuring every mouthful is incredibly satisfying. The true mark of a great Italian pasta dish is achieving that perfect al dente bite. This means the pasta should be firm, offering a slight resistance, but still tender enough to chew easily. It should never be mushy. Start tasting your pasta about 2 minutes before the package cooking time suggests, checking for that ideal texture. Remember, it will continue to cook slightly when added to your hot sauce, so pull it just shy of perfection. The final, crucial step for truly authentic Italian pasta is to finish cooking it directly in the sauce. Transfer your al dente pasta from the pot into your prepared sauce, which should be simmering in a large pan. Stir it vigorously for about 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the pasta to absorb those incredible flavors. Remember to reserve some of that starchy pasta water. A splash or two helps emulsify the sauce, making it rich, glossy, and perfectly cling to every strand. Once your pasta is perfectly coated and emulsified with the sauce, it's time to serve it immediately. Freshness is key for maintaining that wonderful texture and vibrant flavor. Plate it quickly, perhaps with a generous dusting of freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese or Pecorino Romano for a sharper taste. A little fresh basil or parsley can add a lovely touch of color and aroma. Now, gather your loved ones and truly savor the authentic taste of Italy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.